In this video, you will learn about 20 advanced vocabulary with meanings.
Abscond. Meaning to leave hurriedly and secretly, typically to avoid detection or arrest. Examples: the thief absconded with the stolen jewels. He decided to abscond from the meeting when the discussion became heated. Anomaly. Meaning something that deviates from the norm or expectations. Examples: the scientist found an anomaly in the experiment results. Her perfect attendance record was an anomaly in the class. Belligerent. Meaning hostile and aggressive. Examples: his belligerent attitude made negotiations difficult. The belligerent nations refused to sign the peace treaty. Cacophony. Meaning a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Examples: the cacophony of the city streets overwhelmed her. The band's rehearsal sounded like a cacophony before they tuned their instruments. Circumspect. Meaning wary and unwilling to take risks. Examples: she was circumspect about investing in the risky venture. His circumspect nature often kept him out of trouble. His circumspect nature often kept him out of trouble. Daunting. Meaning intimidating or challenging. Examples: moving to a new country can be a daunting experience. The daunting task of organizing the event fell on her shoulders. Elucidate. Meaning to make something clear, to explain. Examples: the professor was asked to elucidate his theory further. She used diagrams to elucidate the complex process. Furtive. Meaning done secretly to avoid notice. Examples: he cast a furtive glance at the clock during the test. Their furtive whispers suggested they were planning a surprise. Idiosyncratic. Meaning peculiar or unique to an individual. Examples: his idiosyncratic way of dressing always caught attention. The author's idiosyncratic style makes her work stand out. Intransigent. Meaning refusing to change one's views or agree. Examples: the intransigent employee refused to compromise. The negotiations failed because both sides remained intransigent. Lethargic. Meaning sluggish or lacking energy. Examples: after the long flight, she felt lethargic and needed rest. The hot weather made everyone lethargic and unwilling to work. Mendacious, meaning not telling the truth, lying. Examples: his mendacious claims were quickly debunked. The politician was known for his mendacious speeches. Obfuscate, meaning to deliberately make something unclear or confusing. Examples: the report was written to obfuscate rather than clarify the issue. His explanations only served to obfuscate the truth. Palpable, meaning so intense that it seems almost tangible. Examples: the tension in the room was palpable during the meeting. Her excitement about the trip was palpable. Quintessential, meaning representing the most perfect or typical example. Examples: the Eiffel Tower is the quintessential symbol of Paris. Her behavior was the quintessential example of grace under pressure. Recalcitrant, meaning stubbornly resistant to authority or control. Examples: the recalcitrant student refused to follow the rules. Dealing with a recalcitrant client can be frustrating. Serendipity, meaning the occurrence of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Examples: finding her childhood friend in the new city was pure serendipity. His career success was a mix of hard work and serendipity. Tenacious, meaning not easily letting go of something, determined. Tenacious. Examples: her tenacious efforts finally paid off with a promotion. He held a tenacious grip on his dreams despite setbacks. Vacillate, meaning to waver between different opinions or actions. Examples: she vacillated between 2 job offers for weeks. His tendency to vacillate made decision-making difficult. Wistful, meaning having a feeling of vague or regretful longing. Examples: she gave a wistful smile while looking at old photographs. His wistful tone revealed his longing for simpler times.